Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to appear offline on TikTok. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our TikTok app. Once you have opened your TikTok app, here you'll be able to see your profile option on the very below. Tap on it. Appearing offline on your TikTok allows you to not be able to see anyone who is online, and it also doesn't let anyone else see whether you're online or not. So in order to do that, here we'll have to tap on the hamburger option that is located on the top right corner. After that, here you'll be able to see about three options: creator, tools, my QR code, and settings and privacy. Here you'll have to tap on the settings and privacy option. After tapping on settings and privacy option, here you can see the very first category being account. On the account category, you can see privacy. Tap on it. And once you have tapped on the privacy option, here you can see two options on the very top: private account and activity status. Here you can see the activity status. When turned on, you and your followers can see each other's activity status. So you'll have to just tap on the toggle button. And just like that, you have turned off your activity status. Once you have tapped off your activity status, you will no longer be able to see if someone is online or not. And in the similar way, no one else will be able to see whether you're online. And that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to appear offline on your TikTok. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.